Building a really strong digital culture is really important for any business. Technology's underpinning almost everything we do within organisations, and I think if you don't kind of embrace that and you don't get the culture right, you stand a very good chance of being left behind as an organisation and being overtaken by your competitors who are all going to be doing the same thing as you.
I don't think you're setting a 5-year strategy anymore because there's too much going on, but certainly you need A, to understand what the organisational or business requirements are, and B, a directional strategy as to we're heading towards these platforms and these solutions, but constantly revising that plan, talking to the organisation, looking at what's happening in the market and kind of adjusting your plan as you operate.
I think it's really important that you introduce technologies that helps your colleagues, your people in your business become more effective, become more critical thinking, be more creative, but also not forgetting your customers. Give the opportunity to your people to give the best customer service, to give the best experience.
Combined with flexible work, AI really has the opportunity to transform our society and our workplaces.
I actually can see the benefits, boosting business productivity as well as creating better well-being within our customers as well as ourselves. So I'm really excited about seeing customers' journey.
Embracing the AI and adopting it is absolutely key going forward.